Water is often referred to as the essence of life, and for good reason. It is vital for nearly every function in the body, contributing to overall health and well-being. Despite its importance, many people do not consume enough water daily. Understanding the myriad benefits of drinking water can encourage better hydration habits and lead to a healthier lifestyle. 1. Maintaining hydration. One of the primary benefits of drinking water is that it helps maintain the body's fluid balance. The human body is composed of approximately 60% water, and staying hydrated is essential for various physiological processes, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Proper hydration ensures that the body's systems can operate effectively, preventing dehydration and its associated complications. 2. Promoting healthy skin. Adequate water intake contributes significantly to skin health. Hydration helps maintain skin elasticity, keeping it supple and youthful. When the body is well hydrated, the skin can better retain moisture, which can reduce the appearance of dryness and flakiness. Some studies suggest that drinking water may also help prevent acne and other skin conditions by flushing out toxins and supporting overall skin function. 3. Supporting digestion. Water plays a critical role in digestion. It aids in the breakdown of food, making it easier for the body to absorb essential nutrients. Drinking enough water helps to prevent constipation by softening stools and promoting regular bowel movements. Additionally, staying hydrated can help alleviate digestive issues such as bloating and indigestion. 4. Enhancing physical performance. For those who engage in physical activities, staying hydrated is crucial for optimal performance. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, reduced endurance, and impaired coordination. Drinking water before, during, and after exercise helps maintain energy levels and supports recovery. Proper hydration can also help regulate body temperature, reducing the risk of overheating during intense workouts. 5. Boosting cognitive function. Water is essential for brain health. Studies have shown that even mild dehydration can negatively affect cognitive functions, including concentration, alertness, and short-term memory. Staying hydrated can improve mood and reduce feelings of anxiety and fatigue, leading to better overall mental performance. Drinking water regularly can help keep the brain functioning at its best. 6. Weight management. Drinking water can also aid in weight management. It is a calorie-free beverage that can help control hunger and promote a feeling of fullness. Some studies suggest that drinking water before meals may lead to reduced calorie intake, contributing to weight loss efforts. Additionally, replacing sugary drinks with water can significantly decrease overall calorie consumption. 7. Detoxification. Water is vital for the body's detoxification processes. It helps flush out waste products and toxins through urine and sweat. Proper hydration supports kidney function, ensuring that these organs can efficiently remove waste from the bloodstream. Drinking enough water can help prevent kidney stones and urinary tract infections by diluting substances that can lead to these issues. 8. Regulating temperature. Water is essential for thermoregulation, helping to maintain a stable body temperature. When the body heats up, sweat is produced, which cools the skin as it evaporates. Staying hydrated ensures that the body can effectively regulate temperature during exercise, hot weather, or illness. Conclusion. In conclusion, the benefits of drinking water are extensive and vital for overall health. From maintaining hydration and promoting healthy skin to supporting digestion and enhancing physical performance, water is an essential component of a healthy lifestyle. To reap these benefits, aim to drink an adequate amount of water daily and listen to your body's signals for hydration. Prioritizing water intake can lead to improved health, well-being, and vitality.